You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's clarify the pronunciation and break it down. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Migratory, that's one pronunciation. There are other pronunciations in English: migratory or migratory. Migratory. Those two are more British English pronunciations. Now, the American English pronunciation in the US is generally more as migratory. Migratory. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.